Hi everyone, my name is Holly and I am the DIY and lifestyle blogger of hollygrace.ca. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you my review of the Paint Zoom 3000 paint sprayer. So I love a good paint sprayer. I hate painting chairs with a brush. It's hard to get into all those spindles and grooves. So this paint sprayer is actually fantastic. So in the box you get this little watering cup that helps you thin out your paint. So I'm just using an exterior outdoor paint here, and I'm just going to give it a quick stir, and then I'm going to take the water cup and just place my finger underneath. And I like the little handle here. It's easy to hold. You just add in your water and then remix your paint, and it's just an easy way to add water without making a mess and exactly knowing how much water you need to use. This little paint cup helps with that. They also give you these really great funnels to funnel through your paint, because when you know when you use a paint sprayer, you don't want any clumps or anything that are going to ruin your paint sprayer. So you just use this funnel and you dump the paint into it, and it thins it out and makes sure that no clumps get into your container. I just wipe off the outside here just to make sure that we don't get any paint drying in and around the crevices of the lid. I have to say, what I really liked most about this paint sprayer was that there wasn't a lot of little parts and things inside the actual nozzle of the gun. Everything is very simple, very easy to put together. You have the tube here which you can angle different directions, so if you want to spray down or spray up, you get the most out of the container. So really happy with the gun function itself. And then of course the tube here that connects to the paint sprayer, we just put it in the back, and then we can turn the nozzle here horizontal or vertical to change the direction of the spray. I'm just going to move my little pup here out of the way. We don't want to spray when there are any animals or people around. I love that the Paint Zoom 3000 has a strap so that I can easily carry around the paint sprayer while I am spraying. It takes a load off of carrying and holding the paint sprayer, and it actually just makes this very comfortable. I've held very heavy, cumbersome paint sprayers before. This one is nice and light and very dynamic, and it's just great for, like I said, painting chairs, getting spindles, stuff like that just is way too hard to do with a brush. So overall, I'm extremely happy with this paint sprayer. I'm going to be sharing some more projects. I just did this quick little chair just to get used to the sprayer itself and before I tackle anything larger. But my first review of this paint sprayer is that it is fantastic. I have no complaints at all, and I'm very excited to see what I do next with it. Here is my finished little chair. It's quite the improvement from what this looked like before. And I did just want to make note that this is one coat with the Paint Zoom 3000. So really impressed with this product, and I'm super excited to get it out again and paint something else. Thanks so much for watching this video.